Hello. Mnauliza tuko wapi? Leo tuko Kadhima, as you can see behind. Hii maji ndio tumekuwa tukikunywa tangu primary, secondary. This what do we call this? This water, this small dam that is around us.
It's a spring,
It's a spring. Yeah, this spring has been feeding us with water and it has never dried. This is a very good spring. We have been taking water from it. Leo si yuko Thika, leo si yuko Kanairo, leo si yuko Juja. Leo niko hapa, niko Mushadha, lakini nimeamua ni come visit this spring. As you can see, even the water is blue. For those who are saying we can swim, kindly we don't swim here. We can only stand and watch or take a drink of very clean water. So leo si yuko job, lakini ningetaka kuwawishia happy new year. Acha tusalimiwe.
Absolutely. Ati anasema anataka kuswim. By the way, sija wawish new year.
Happy New Year 2025.
Absolutely. By the way, tulikuwa tumepatana na my viewers last year.
Yeah.
That was 2024.
2024.
Yes, na sasa tuko mwaka ingine, that is 2025 and we have new things.
Very new things.
Mambo mapya, mwaka mpya. Ndio tumesema tunakuja kwanza kuswim.
Tunaonja maji hapa.
Tunaswim na nguo ama. Hii maji inakuwa very fresh.
Very fresh.
Na ndio maana tumesema kwa sababu tulikuwa tunakaa huku Beleni tukasema to visit this area so that we can know ama walihamisha kisima ama bado iko.
Exactly.
And we have seen that it is still existing.
Very existing.
Na watu pia wanapata maji kwa sababu maji ni uhai.
Yeah, water is life.
By the way, hii ni place cool sana.
A very cool place.
Hata watu wakiweza kuja wa visit this area.
Even hata harusi, ukikuwa na harusi you can stand here with the bride,
photo shoot
and a very clear view.
Kwani wanataka kwenda kule kale na
hapana,
clear view.
And even the good thing hapa ni free. Kama vile tumekuja, there is no license, there is no CG payment of what, very free,
very much affordable. By the way,
it is a walking distance.
It is only you needed.
It is only you needed and your bride
and your time.
And what else is needed is to subscribe to Gatia Manager TV.
Absolutely. Only that. So that we can continue bringing to you fresh content and real content.
Yeah, for events coverage, unataka harusi yako ikuwe live, call us, contact us.
Unataka tupeleke live.
Unataka MC wa harusi,
unangoja nini?
What are you waiting?
Si unatupigia.
Ama tu.
Hamna nini? Si una comment pale.
Comment how.
Unasema mimi nataka event yangu ni waone. Ama kuna mahali nataka mkuje tuongeongee tu mulika 1 2 3 and all that. We are going to cater for that.